Come test drive the 2001 Chrysler PT Cruiser. Retro-inspired sophistication defines the Chrysler PT Cruiser. Its funky elegance and unique design is truly unmatched and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.